Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and here I am outside in the back garden again, although there's lots of work to be getting on with and we haven't got enough time as yet. But in this episode what I'm going to do is show you how to transplant your little seedlings once they get their true leaves, which is a little bit of a tedious task but well worth the effort and well worth the display when it gets to summer and you've got beautiful flowers to show off to your friends and your neighbours. Right, so to do the transplanting you'll need some multi-purpose compost. So I've just gone for a Wilko's multi-purpose compost, 50 litres. On offer at the minute if you go to Wilko's. This is 3 packs for £6, good value. And what you'll also need then is some seed trays. So potted on trays, these are ones just from B&Q, 40 cells. So what we're going to do is transplant the little lobelia and the petunia first of all into these. So you're going to put the compost level in there, then we use a little dibber, which I'll show you in a moment, just to make a little hole, and then we'll transfer them and transplant into that. But you have to be really delicate and careful with these little seeds. So now you've got your seed tray full of, or your cells full of compost. A little dibber, that's what I use to make a little hole. What I need to do is transplant these now into these cells from your potting mixed. So we know that this side is the multifloral and we know that this side is the ready mix, because as always make sure you label it. So I just need now to try and get these out without damaging the roots, but they've got the, you'll notice they've got their true leaves now, but they'll be very delicate and very tiny, so you must be as careful as you possibly can be. So what I tend to do is just tease them out, so just get your little dibber underneath and just tease them out, and then we'll go one by one and pop them into the cells. Always grab them by their leaf, never by the roots. There's a tiny one, might be able to make that out. So never grab it by the stem, otherwise you'll bruise it and it'll die. Always grab it by a true leaf. Pop it into the soil and just gently backfill it. And just continue along your line. Gently tease them out and into the cell. If you get one where there's quite a bit of soil stuck to it, like this one, don't try and knock the soil off. To make it easier, just make the hole bigger, pop the whole thing in. That way you're not going to damage any of the roots. So now there's 80 petunias there transplanted, and another 80 in there, 160 petunias. 8 tomatoes, 4 at the front of the sweet aperitif, 4 at the back of the moneymaker. And if I just scoot over here, I've got asters, 80 asters transplanted, just popped them in water just to give them a good drink. So it looks like we're going to have a good crop of flowers this year.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.